In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins. Margins are the blank spaces around the edges of your document, and adjusting them can make your pages look cleaner, help meet formatting requirements, or fit more or less text on each page. Whether you are preparing an essay, a report, or a flyer, knowing how to tweak margins quickly will save you time and keep your layout consistent. First, open your document in Google Docs. Make sure you've got the file you want to adjust on the screen so you can see the changes as soon as they're applied. If you are working from a template or an existing document, this will update the current layout. If it's a new document, you'll see the page adjust right away. Next, head to the top menu bar and click File. Then choose Page Setup. This opens a small window where all your page level settings live. If you are prompted with different tabs, make sure the Pages tab is selected so you are editing the overall document margins and not any special section settings. In the Page Setup window, look for the Margins area. You'll see boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. This is where you enter the new measurements. You can type values in inches or centimeters, depending on your preference or regional settings. For example, 1 inch or 250 centimeters is a common standard for many academic and professional documents. If you need something more compact, you could use a smaller number, like 0.5 inches. But be mindful that very narrow margins can make a document feel cramped and may not print well on all printers. You can use decimal values for precision, like 1.25 inches, and set different values for each side if your layout needs asymmetry, such as extra space on the left for binding. As you adjust these numbers, remember that changing margins affects how text flows. You may notice your page count change, and line breaks may shift. That's normal and part of refining your layout. When you are happy with the measurements, click OK to apply the changes to the current document. If you want these settings to be your starting point every time you create a new document, click Set as Default instead. That way, future documents will open with these margins already in place, and you can still modify them anytime. That's all there is to it. Open the document, go to File and Page Setup. Make sure you are on the Pages tab. Enter the margin values you need, and confirm with OK or choose Set as Default if you want to reuse those settings. Thanks for watching.